Hi kids. How are you today? Welcome to our digital classroom. Today few guests are coming in our class. Ooh, our first guest is here. Ooh, it's A. The first letter of English alphabets. This is capital A. And this is small a. The phonic sound is ah. Repeat after me. Ah. You know which fruit is this? Yes, it's an apple. A for apple. See who is coming next. It's B. B is the second letter. This is capital B. And this is small b. The phonic sound of B is ba. Repeat kids. Ba. This must be in your toy box. Yes, it's a ball. B for ball. Which guest will come next? It's C. The third letter of English alphabet. This is capital C. This is small c. The phonic sound of C is ka. Did you repeat? Ka. Wow, such a lovely eyes. It's a cat. C for cat. The next letter guessed is D. D comes after alphabet C. This is capital D. This one is smaller d. Let's see the phonic sound of D. Da. Repeat after me. Da. This is a cute yellow duck. D for duck. Let's see who is next. It's E. It comes just after D. This is capital E. This is small e. The phonic sound of E is A. Once again. A. You must be eating this in your breakfast. It's an egg. E for egg. Do you know who will come next? Yeah, it's F. After E the letter is F. This one is capital F. This is small f. Let's see the phonic sound of F. Fa. Repeat kids. Fa. Have you ever seen this? Yes, it's a fountain. F for fountain. Who is coming next? It's G. G comes after F. This is capital G. And this one is small g. Let's learn the phonic sound of G. Ga. Say aloud. Ga. Wow, these are yummy grapes. G for grapes. Let's see who is our last guest. It's H. It comes just after G. This is capital H. This one is small h. Do you know the phonic sound of H? Ha. Say it again. Ha. I think you know the name of this object. Yes, it's a hat. H for hat. Now let's play a game. These are 8 jumbled letters. Can you arrange them? Okay, let's start. Can you guess the first letter? Yes, it's A. What will come next? Yeah, it's B. Great job. What will come next? Great, it's C. Which letter will come next? Yes, it's D. Now, who will be the next? Correct, it's E. Now 3 letters are remaining. The next will be, of course, F. Which letter will come after F? Superb, you are right. It's G. Now only 1 letter is remaining. Yes, of course, H. You arranged all the letters. You won. You played very well. See you next time.